Imagine you were walking outside in good weather when all of a sudden a heavy rain poured. Suddenly, you found yourself pondering the weight of a single raindrop. Obviously, it is small, but what about a single water molecule? A single raindrop may be small and insignificant, but inside that one drop are about 1.5 sextillion molecules of H2O. So how do we calculate the mass of objects on atomic scales like H2O molecule? This is where formula weight comes in, but what is it? The formula weight of a substance is defined as the sum of the atomic weights of all atoms in the chemical formula of the substance. Starting with atoms, well, the formula weight is just the atomic mass of the atom itself. In the periodic table, the atomic weight of the elements are usually the numbers written below. So for example, a sodium atom weighs approximately 23 atomic mass units, which means the formula weight of sodium is 23 atomic mass units. Similarly, the formula weight of chlorine is 35.5. The formula weight of carbon is 12, and the formula weight of silver is 108. Next, how do we calculate the formula weights of molecules such as sodium chloride, glucose, and calcium nitrate? Well, just add the atomic weights of all the atoms that comprises them. Starting with sodium chloride, this molecule is made up of 1 sodium and chlorine ions. So the formula weight, or better known as the molecular weight, is the sum of the atomic weights of sodium and chlorine. The atomic weight of sodium is 23, while that of chlorine is 35.5. Simply add together those masses. The molecular weight of sodium chloride is 58.5 atomic mass units. How about the molecular weight of glucose? The chemical formula is C6H12O6, which means one molecule of glucose contains 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. The molecular weight is the sum of all atomic masses, that is 6 times the atomic weight of carbon, plus 12 times the atomic weight of hydrogen, plus 6 times the atomic weight of oxygen. The atomic weight of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, and oxygen is 16 atomic mass units. Substitute the atomic masses into the expression. Therefore, the molecular weight of a single glucose molecule is about 180 atomic mass units. Can you solve the molecular weight of a calcium nitrate molecule? You can pause the video if you want to give this a try. Now, calcium nitrate contains 1 calcium, 2 nitrogen, and 2 times 3, or 6 oxygen. So the molecular weight is the atomic weight of calcium, plus 2 times the atomic weight of nitrogen, plus 6 times the atomic weight of oxygen. By referring to the period table, the atomic weights of calcium, nitrogen, and oxygen are as shown. Substitute those atomic weights into the expression. The molecular weight of a calcium nitrate molecule is about 164.1 atomic mass units.